What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. If you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're going to go over Polygon. The price hasn't moved much, just about 4% over the last 24 hours, but we're going to do a bit of a deeper dive into Ethereum as it's breaking through some key levels of resistance. And of course, you know that Ethereum and Polygon, they move very closely together. So currently we're sitting at 91 cents. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.86 billion, and the 24-hour volume has come down, guys. We've seen a decrease down to 1.06 billion. If you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Ethereum, guys. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart just to show you guys we're breaking some key levels of resistance. 2034. Now I would like to see us get back above, let me just move this up a little bit, about 2079, this zone here where we've seen all the support and resistance in that area previously here as well as a previous swing high. So in between about 2079 and 2034 is a key level. You can see we are starting to break above it. We have had the bullish cross of the EMAs, but what I would like to see for a true confirmation is for us to break, let me grab my little brush here, to break this high. Until then, what may happen is we have a little bit of a breakout, but we fail to create a higher high and we continue the downtrend. As you can see here, we had our high, what the fuck, sorry guys, we had our high and then we had a lower high, and once again we had a lower high, we had a lower high. So that can happen once again. We just have a bit of a relief rally. We fail to break this high and we continue the downtrend and we fall down to these levels of support. So I want to pop Ethereum open on the daily chart here. So we can see here on the daily, we're back above the 20 EMA, which of course is a beautiful sign of a reversal. That doesn't guarantee a reversal in the trend. We also need to get back above the 55. You can see right here, we got back above the 20 EMA on the daily. We hit resistance on the 55 EMA and we continue to roll over. You can see we are still seeing decreasing volume. I'm sure you guys are getting tired of me saying that, but until we see a larger increase in volume, we won't see that reversal and we'll continue the downtrend. It's beautiful to see us get back above the 20, break key levels of resistance, but until we break this high, that isn't confirmation for me that we're going to see a reversal in the trend and get back above the 55 EMA and of course have the bullish cross. Now we can use our little Fibonacci here and go from our swing high down to our swing low, and you can see we're just breaking above the 0.5, so we want to see us get back above the golden ratio to see that continuation, to try to tackle that high at around 2,398. If we break that high, we get back above the 55. That's when we have strong confirmation of a reversal in the trend. So we'll quickly look at Matic. Not much has changed here. We came up, we hit resistance at 94 cents. We're currently still holding the support of 87 cents. We do want to see us break through that 94 cents and head up to that major level of resistance, which was a major level of support that we've been covering on the channel at $1. We are about to see the bullish cross on the 4-hour chart. If we look on the daily, we can see we're still hitting some resistance. So if you do break above 94 cents and head for $1, then we will get back above the 20 EMA on the daily, and we want to see it start to curl, and that would be a stronger signal that we'll see a bit of a reversal, get back above the 55. And if we open it up here on the weekly, and if we do push up to $1, then we can end the week with the candle in between the 20 EMA. Currently we're sitting just under it. And then going into next week, we need to get back above the 20 EMA on the daily to have that bullish reversal. We will go over the bearish scenario. I've been a little bit too bullish in this video here. So of course we have to go over the bearish scenario. If we do hit resistance, as I've been saying, and we do roll over, we lose 87 cents. That's when you can start going short once again down to 78 cents, 74.70. And if we lose 70 cents, we do have that breakdown target at 54 cents. As well as 46 cents, which were previous swing highs. So just a quick little update. Mostly I wanted to update you guys on Ethereum as we are breaking some key levels of resistance here. And we are back above the 20 EMA here on the daily. So we would need to see that increase in volume and especially break this high, get back above the 55 if we were to see a reversal. And then that's when we would see that massive double bottom pattern here begin to play out. But until then, if we come up, we hit resistance and we roll over, your levels of support are 18.15, 17.24. As you can see, the volume is still decreasing. It's still very low. And as we've been seeing over the last 2 months, when the volume is low, it's just a slow continuation to the downside. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. Hope it brought you some value. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, receive $600 in bonuses. Follow me on Instagram, and you can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button. All right, take care. Bye-bye.